Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a to-do list on the Pinterest.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. And after that, go to your homepage and tap on this your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and after that you should tap on this one of your boards that you have created, and at the top you can find this to-dos section, so tap on it, mark with the check mark icon, then click on add your first to-do in the middle of the screen, add the title. Here you can add pins to it, tap on done. Here you can add text to which you can type in your ideas. You can add the checklist to create your to-do items. And when you are done with any of these, just tap onto the box, and if you are done, click on the done button down below to save your to-do list here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.